There's no need to rush in for these great deals. You can buy them online. August 28th to September 1st, you can get this 5-piece plier set for $14.98. Regularly priced $32.98. You can find affiliate links in the description for all these great deals. As a Lowe's partner, we will receive a small commission at no charge to you. So you save $5 on this, and you save $17 on the 5-piece plier. And if your old grill's a little worn out, check out this Blackstone. Nice little savings there. Perfect if you want to spruce up your outdoor living area. Nice little griddle. Cook breakfast on it. All metal tray in the front with holes. Each side has these collapsible side wings. There's a nice selection of Ego Power battery operated yard and garden tools. Save $50 on this Ego string trimmer. This sale's not just for handyman DIYers. It's also for people that are wanting to do home improvement projects in all the departments. And while you're online, be sure and check out the other great Labor Day deals. Got some of these little pavers for fire pits here, 2 for $5. These Holland pavers are 50% off. Place your order online and you can have them ready to be picked up at curbside or the desk. All the links are in the description.